Did a little grocery haul today. I got me some wraps, probably not the healthiest, but I wanted some small ones. Some cucumbers. I was about out of oatmeal, so I got me some oatmeal. As you see, this is just the original oatmeal with nothing in it. It's just a regular oatmeal. Got me some broccoli, green beans, zucchini, squash, corn, mushrooms, red onions, and I'm about out of raisins because I eat my raisins with my oatmeal, cabbage, and I do some cheese. You guys, I'm gonna do some the reason why I got breadcrumbs, I'm gonna do some cheese sticks for my family. I never did cheese sticks, so I'll probably film that. And I'm gonna make some pizza. And of course, I'm only doing vegetables, but I got pepperoni for the fam. And have you guys ever did this rice, the quinoa blend? As you see, this is the roasted red pepper, roasted red pepper and basil. They only had one box. Well, they had another box that was all busted up, but I just got the one. Rosemary and olive oil. And the other one is garlic and basil. And what I plan to do with these, when I do my wraps, maybe put some, when I cook the zucchini, cook all this together, and maybe with some multiple colored peppers, put a little rice or quinoa in it, and then, you know, your vegetables, maybe a little salsa, and that's your meal. So maybe I'll cook that and show you guys. But right now I'm about to fix a vegetable pizza.